What's up YouTube, Snatchpato here with Tactic of the Day number 14. This game was played in 1962 between Manov and Harabedian, and it is black to move. If you would like some time, make sure you pause the video. The game link for Lichess is in the description if you would like to actually move the pieces and play around with the position. If you would like to calculate, just pause your video and use your head, I suppose. So pause your videos now. Okay, so it's black to move, and in this position, you can see the first thing you should try and notice is that this H-file is quite open, and this king has no real squares to go to. So just imagine if we could get this queen to this square. How would we do that, right? And it comes with a really nice combination. The first move is clearing the H-file, and it's doing so with tempo. So we move this bishop to E2, right, hitting the queen. And now we've gained a tempo to clear it for our rook, right? So a game continuation could simply be queen takes bishop, and then and this is the whole point. You have to have found this to have found the first move, because rook h8, king g1, and you say, well, how exactly do we get a queen here? Like, it's going to take a couple of moves, right, to try and checkmate, and white might be able to sort out a defense after maybe f4 and squeezing the king out like this. So we have to play forcingly, and we do. Rook h1 check. Only move is king takes h1, rook h8. So we've just replaced our rook with the other one. What's your point? Well, after we repeat that once more, now the queen comes to h8 with devastating effect. If the queen moves away, we're just going to checkmate on h7. So the only move is queen blocks. Queen takes queen, queen g1, and queen h7 check. Queen h2, excuse me, checkmate. So wow. Wow, the whole point of bishop e2 is just to clear this file, and these rooks are going to sacrifice themselves over and over until the queen can check on h8 and then checkmate on h7. So with that in mind, obviously the queen can't take. No better is knight takes, because we played the exact same variation, right? Just swinging the rooks over and sacrificing them to bring the queen over to checkmate on h2. So taking with the knight is no better. So after bishop e2, what Stockfish actually suggests is queen takes b7, queen takes b7, rook takes b7, king takes b7, and then after something like rook b1 check, because note as well, our bishop was hitting not only the queen, but also the rook. We just move our king to c8, there is no more checks, and after the knight is captured, we have rook h8 check, king g1, bishop h2, and we've got a nice discovery on this rook now. And after king f1, rook takes d5, and we're up an entire rook as black in this position. So that's the best that the computer can find for white in this position. After bishop e2, note as well that you can't play something like f4 now to try and, after these checks, escape your king like this, because we do have bishop takes queen, which is the whole point of that very first move, because it gains us that tempo on the queen, which allows us to undertake this operation on the h-file. So I hope you guys enjoyed that one here today. If you liked the video, make sure you like the damn video. Share, subscribe, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you always stay classy. Peace.